Greetings from this side of the country. I hope so na dey well. Happy quarantine. Again, wetin dey bother me seriously about this whole scenario. You know, so this disease wey dey call coronavirus, e dey everywhere, and now na stay at home na dey reign now. Everybody is at home. Now, so many people see this thing as avenue to help their brothers and sisters. Why some people see am as avenue to make money. And again, video wey I go show una in a very short while, make una see wetin me I dey talk. The western side of the country, churches dey hand over envelope. They dey give money to their members because they know say this period wey everybody dey house, money no dey enter your pocket, na comot dey comot. So they know say definitely members need money to support themselves. Now, coming back to our own side, we the Africans, instead of we to see am as opportunity to help our brothers and sisters, because e get people wey dey now wey be say this period at all they no even get before, wey be this period everybody dey house. Now they say make everybody stay at home. Now churches see am as a venue to create app, to create short code for us to pay our offering and tithe. So you no go get excuse say because you dey quarantine you no pay offering, no pay tithe. My people, this thing dey bother me. I don't know whether I bother on a reach and still bother me, because I know say this quarantine period, business no dey, work no dey. The money wey you don make before you dey save, na comot dey comot o. No one dey come inside. Una follow me reason this thing, una know whether this thing dey okay, because me e dey bother me seriously. E dey really bother me. Stay tuned, ma show una wetin I dey talk.
Parishioners of this church in Texas just got a big surprise. Instead of asking for donations, the church is giving money back. That's right, Pastor Paul Masaccio handed out envelopes to each worshiper at 2 services. They contained checks worth $250, $500, or $1,000. All told, the church gave away $125,000.
What? How much? That's a lot of money.
The money came in the form of checks, but the recipient was blank. Pastor Paul said the money came with just 3 simple requests. 1, cash it within 30 days. 2, don't give it back to the church. And 3, use it where it's needed most, keeping others in mind. The money was donated to the church by just a few members as a way to empower the entire church to go out and do something good for the world.
And that's huge, to sit around together and talk about what you're going to do for others.
It's not every day that someone gives you an envelope of money and tells you to use it how you see fit to make the world a better place. So the question is, how would you use that money?
Good morning to all my winners member Living Faith Church. During this quarantine season, our church, Winners Church, have released an easy code for which to be able to make our tithes and offering online. Look at the number on my phone. Let's dial it and see what we show now. It will show something, so we can easily make our offering and tithes online. So men are not going to give excuse saying I'm not fit pay offering. Wahala dey o, problem.